Are you sick and tired of dealing with terrible employees? Do you feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of hiring and firing? Well, guess what? It's not them, it's you. Yes, you heard me right. The problem isn't your employees, it's your hiring strategy. And today, we're going to fix that. So, you decided to hire a copywriter. They promise the world, but their work is full of typos and grammatical errors. You spend more time correcting their work than you just done it yourself. The new virtual assistant that you hired, they're never available when you need them. And even when they are, they don't seem to have a clue about what to do with the tasks you've delegated to them. Your video editor, more like a video butcher, they are hopeless when it comes to understanding your vision. And you're left with a final product that's completely unrecognizable from what you had in mind. And let's not even get started on your turnover rate. Just when you think you've found someone decent, they're out the door and you're back to square one. Enough of the problems. Let's talk solutions. So how can we fix the high turnover rates and avoid hiring low-quality candidates? It's all about implementing systems and strategies into your hiring process that filter out low-quality candidates. Let's break it down. Number 1, clear job descriptions. Make sure your descriptions are clear, concise, and accurately reflect the role. This will help potential candidates understand exactly what's expected from them. Number 2, skills tests. Incorporate technical skills tests into your hiring process. For example, give your candidate a trial task to complete as part of the interviewing process. If you're hiring a graphic designer, ask to see their portfolio of previous work, or ask them to make you a new logo or a YouTube thumbnail template. This will give you a better idea of a candidate's abilities before you hire them. Number 3, situational awareness tests. Use behavioral interview techniques to assess how a candidate might react in certain situations. Ask them how they would handle a problem which popped up at the last minute on a project with a tight deadline. What would they do if they were wrongfully accused of making a mistake? How they would respond if they were given a task with a deadline they knew was unrealistic, and so on. This can give you insight into their problem-solving skills and how they handle conflict resolution as well as time pressure. Number 4, reference checks. Always make sure to check a candidate's references. Getting in touch with someone who has first-hand experience working with the candidate can give you a much clearer picture of their reliability and past performance. Number 5, cultural fit. Assess whether a candidate will fit into your company's culture. This can include anything from time zone overlap to relevant lifestyle or personality traits. For instance, if you have a clothing brand aimed at customers showcasing their vegan lifestyle, perhaps an email customer support agent which spends their time hunting deer in the forest wouldn't be an ideal match. Now that we've gone over what to expect from your potential employees, let's briefly talk about what they have the right to expect from you. Clear communication. Make sure your candidates fully understand what's being asked of them. This can include things like an honest breakdown of what their day in the life will look like, and providing a comfortable environment which opens lines of communication during the interviewing process. Remember, a good interview is a two-way street. You are not there to dictate to anyone. The candidate should feel comfortable asking any questions which they might have for you. Reliability. To ensure your employees are there when you need them, talk about what you will do to create a supportive work environment. This may include things such as flexible working hours, understanding personal circumstances, and providing necessary resources for them to be able to do their job efficiently and effectively. Vision sharing. Once it's clear that this might be a viable candidate, share your vision for the business with them. Make sure they understand where the company is headed and how their role contributes to that vision. As a business owner, it's your responsibility to understand your employees are a reflection of your leadership. If you want quality employees, you need to put in effort to find, train, and retain them. It's not just about hiring the right people, it's about creating an environment where they can thrive. So are you ready to break the cycle of terrible employees? It's time to take the leap and try something new. At HireUA, we specialize in matching businesses like yours with some of the most skilled, reliable, and hardworking candidates you'll find anywhere. When you choose to work with us, we will immediately go to work for you. We take care of the screening process, background and reference checks, and within a few short days, you will be presented with a handpicked talent pool ready for you to interview and take your business to the next level. Remember, the problem isn't your employees, it's your hiring strategy. Change your strategy, change your results. It's as simple as that. Book a call with HireUA team today and let us take the weight off your shoulders so that you can go back to doing what you're passionate about. And if you want to learn which countries are the best for sourcing your remote team members, make sure you watch this video right here before you post any job openings online. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.